This is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, I will be doing my analysis on 15-minute time frame, and I'll be using the 3M trend Nyoka trading indicator to analyze. It is a custom made indicator. If you're having, kindly follow up with what I am doing right here. Okay. So, and of course, guys, if there is need for me to go to higher time frame to confirm some one or two things, I will let you know, and I will let you know the exact time frame I am actually going to. Okay. And of course, guys, let's go straight into it right away. So this is GainX 1200. If you should remember very well, for over a week, we've been on this particular assets, okay? And of course, we've been milking it right from the resistance zone from this point. And of course, we milked it on downtrend till we got to this particular stage, okay? So right here, it has got into a support zone, and it has been playing within this channel for a very long time. It has been playing within this channel for a very long time, and I'm going to share with you the reason for that. Here is the reason for it. Okay, so I'm going to go to higher time frame to show you this so that we will have a clear picture of it. Okay, so let's check it out together. So just the way we are saying it, okay, let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, guys, just where we are seeing it right here is a support region, and of course, it has gotten there, and that is why it is playing around there. However, we still have some space to make around there, and right here is also another support region which you can get to, and this is our last TP for this. And I said this can also get to this region. That is if it breaks out from this particular support zone, but it is yet to achieve this, and of course, and that is why it has been playing around there, because it wants to see if it will get to that support zone, or probably switch the direction of the trend into an uptrend fully. It can also switch into an uptrend and buy till it get to this region before coming down to see if it will break out below this. Okay, now let's go back to 15-minute time frame since we have gotten that part. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it out a bit. Okay, we can see it right here. So it has been playing within this channel. Let me mark it out within this channel, and this. I'm going to choose this. Okay, this is where it has been playing for a while. Okay, so which means if it get to this region, if it does not break out above it, then we are most likely to see it selling till it get to the lower part of the channel. And if it does not break out below the lowest part of the channel, we are most likely to see it buying back to the upper part of the channel. It has been doing this for a while. Okay, so and that is what we are experiencing right now. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone, and it will start selling. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. This also has been on downtrend for long, and we milked it for a very long time, starting from here, and it kept on going down and down and down. Okay, so it has got into this region right now, and of course, I gave us this setup earlier today because it got to this support zone and it has not been able to break out from there. This is our entry point, this is our stop loss, and we have few highlighted TPs for us to right from here. Okay, however, this has not been able to activate the entry point, so it is still selling right now. And of course, if it breaks out below the support zone, it will give us more selling opportunity, but if it does not, it will go back up and activate the entry point and may give us more profit at that particular point. So let's keep an eye on it. For now, this is still selling until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so let's have that at the back of our mind. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This has also been on downtrend for long, right from here, and it has achieved all our TPs already, guys. It has achieved all our TPs. This happened to be our last TP, and I said it earlier today that if it does not break out below this support zone, then it will go fully into an uptrend. But as you can see, it has broken out below it, and it's giving us more selling opportunity. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and this has been on uptrend for a while, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it. So we quickly have this setup: entry points, stop loss, and of course we have some TPs highlighted for us. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 has been achieved also. So we are hoping that it's going to achieve TP4, and if it breaks out below this, then definitely it should get to this region. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course this actually sold right from this resistance until it got to this support zone. And if we should check it out, the support zone was respected there, got respected there, and of course it has gotten there again, and it's trying to respect it. Okay, so we quickly have this set up: our entry point, our stop loss, then we have some highlighted TPs for us right here. At least we expect it to get to this particular one, even if it will not get to this, but we still have these on it also. Okay, so let's see how this works. I mean, how it's going to go. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity for us. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.